Okay, so we're here on the annual GMW BST hike, and this year we're at Rivington again, which is great. So we're got a lot of scout teams, explorer teams entered. Hopefully this video will give a good idea what the event's like. Really well attended this year, 21 teams.
The idea is the Scouts and Explorers complete a mandatory course where points are given, and then they can choose to visit optional checkpoints to gain extra points. So the idea is, in the weeks running up to the event, the Scouts and Explorers spend some time, look at the maps, design a route which fits the team's ability and the navigational skills. On the day, they then obviously have to go and follow that course, navigate it correctly, find their way to the end, and then we tot all those points together. And the Scout winners of this year's BST adventure are first Timperley with 145 points.
Today we've been doing the Rivington hike. We'll do a bit of orienteering around Rivington Pike and Winter Hill and get certain checkpoints to accumulate points in a competition.